Vaccinium, vækɪsɪniəm, is a common and widespread genus of shrubs or dwarf shrubs in the heath family. The fruit of many species are eaten by humans and some are of commercial importance, including the cranberry, blueberry, bilberry or whortleberry, lingonberry or cowberry, and huckleberry. Like many other ericaceous plants, they are generally restricted to acidic soils. Description: the plant structure varies between species, some trail along the ground, some are dwarf shrubs, and some are larger shrubs, perhaps 1 to 2 meters tall. The fruit develops from an inferior ovary, and is a berry. It is usually brightly colored, are often being red or bluish with purple juice. Taxonomy: the genus was first described scientifically by Carl Linnaeus in 1753. The name Vaccinium was used in classical Latin for a plant, possibly the bilberry or a hyacinth, and may be derived from the Latin vacca, berry, although its ultimate derivation is obscure. It is not the same word as vaccinium, of pertaining to cows. The taxonomy of the genus is complex and still under investigation. Genetic analysis indicates that the genus Vaccinium is not monophyletic. A number of the Asian species are more closely related to agapites than to other Vaccinium species. A second group includes most of Orthia and Notopora, at least some of Galusacea, and a number of species from Vaccinium, such as Vaccinium crassifolium. Other parts of Vaccinium form other groups, sometimes together with species of other genera. Vaccinium's taxonomy can either be resolved by enlarging the genus to include the entirety of the Vacciniae tribe, or by breaking the genus up into several different genera, subgenera. A classification predating molecular phylogeny divides Vaccinium into subgenera and several sections, subgenus Oxycoccus. The cranberries, with slender, trailing, wiry non-woody shoots and strongly reflexed flower petals. Some botanists treat Oxycoccus as a distinct genus, sect. Oxycoccus Vaccinium macrocarpon, American cranberry Vaccinium oxycoccus, common cranberry, sect. Oxycoccus Vaccinium erythrocarpum, southern mountain cranberry, subgenus Vaccinium. All the other species, with thicker, upright woody shoots and bell-shaped flowers, sect. Batodendron Vaccinium arboreum, sparkleberry Vaccinium crassifolium, creeping blueberry, sect. Brachyceraceum Vaccinium dependens, sect. Bracteata Vaccinium acrobracteatum Vaccinium borondanum Vaccinium bracteatum Vaccinium coriaceum Vaccinium cornidrum Vaccinium cruentum Vaccinium hooglandi Vaccinium horizontal Vaccinium laurifolium Vaccinium lucidum Vaccinium myrtoides Vaccinium filioides Vaccinium reticulativenosus Vaccinium sparsum Vaccinium varingifolium, sect. Ciliata Vaccinium ciliatum Vaccinium oldemi, sect. Cinctusandra Vaccinium exal, sect. Conchophyllum Vaccinium corymbodendron Vaccinium delavei Vaccinium emarginatum Vaccinium griffithianum Vaccinium meridionale Vaccinium openens Himalayan blueberry Vaccinium nilgerens Vaccinium nummularia Vaccinium reticum, sect. Cyanococcus, typical blueberries Vaccinium angustifolium, low bush blueberry Vaccinium boreale, northern blueberry Vaccinium caesariense, New Jersey blueberry Vaccinium cispitosum, dwarf blueberry Vaccinium corymbosum, high bush blueberry Vaccinium darrowi, evergreen blueberry Vaccinium eliotii, Elliott's blueberry Vaccinium formosum, Vaccinium fuscatum, black highbush blueberry, sin. V. Atricoccum vaccinium, hirsutum vaccinium, Koreanum, Korean blueberry, Vaccinium mercenides, evergreen blueberry, Vaccinium myrtilloides, P. Canadian blueberry, Vaccinium pallidum. 8. Dryland blueberry, Sin. V. Vastlands tor, Vaccinium simulatum, Vaccinium tenellum, Vaccinium virgatum, rabbiti blueberry, Sin. V. Ashai. Sect. Eococcus vaccinium fragile. Sect. Epigenium vaccinium, Vacciniaceum. Sect. Gliopetalum vaccinium, Chani vaccinium, Dunalianum vaccinium, Glaucolbum vaccinium, Urceolatum. Sect. Hemimyrtillus vaccinium, Arctostaphylos vaccinium, Cylindricium vaccinium, Hirtum vaccinium, Padophylium vaccinium, Sporlii. Sect. Myrtillus, bilberries and relatives, Vaccinium calicinum ed.M. Urlocow vaccinium, serum force. F. East Polynesian blueberry, Pacific blueberry, Vaccinium cespitosum, dwarf bilberry, Vaccinium deliciosum, Cascade bilberry, Cascade blueberry, blueleaf huckleberry, Vaccinium dentatum ed.M. Olo, Vaccinium membranacum, square twig blueberry, thin leaf huckleberry, tall huckleberry, big huckleberry, mountain huckleberry, black huckleberry, Vaccinium myrtillus, common bilberry, blue whortleberry, blaeberry, frond, whortleberry, Vaccinium ovalifolium, Alaska blueberry, early blueberry, oval leaf blueberry, Vaccinium parvifolium, red huckleberry, Vaccinium praestans, Krasnico Vaccinium reticulatum, Urlo I Vaccinium scoparium, grouse whortleberry, grouseberry, little leaf huckleberry. Sect. Neurodesia Vaccinium crenatum. Sect. Orianthe Vaccinium ambiandrum, Vaccinium cyclopens. Sect. Arides Vaccinium boasanum. Sect. Pachyanthem Vaccinium ficiflorum. Sect. Polycodium Vaccinium staminium elderberry. Sin. V. Cesium. Sect. Pixothamnus Vaccinium consanguineum, Vaccinium floribundum, Vaccinium ovatum Push, California huckleberry. Sect. Vaccinium oleaginosum L. Northern bilberry. Sin. V. Occidental. Sect. Vitucidia Vaccinium, Vitucidia L. partridgeberry, cowberry, redberry, red whortleberry, or lingonberry. Distribution and habitat. The genus contains about 450 species, which are found mostly in the cooler areas of the northern hemisphere, although there are tropical species from areas as widely separated as Madagascar and Hawaii. Plants of this group typically require acidic soils, and as wild plants they live in habitats such as heath, bog and acidic woodland. Blueberry plants are commonly found in oak heath forests in eastern North America. Ecology. Vaccinium species are used as food plants by the larvae of a number of Lepidoptera species. See list of Lepidoptera that feed on Vaccinium. Production.